everyone, this is Suchitra ma'am once again, and today we are going to take this topic. Topic is on sentences again. We have done this topic before also. Now also again I am going to do this topic only because I want you all to know more better. Okay, better I want to know about the sentences. So what we will do, like sentences, some of the sentences it is jumbled up, right? It is given in a jumbled up way, so that we are going to arrange it in proper way, and we will get a complete thought, or we will get a meaningful sentence. Okay, so here, home go now. Home go now, does it make sense? Home go now, it doesn't make sense. When it doesn't make sense, what are we going to do? What are you going to do? We are going to rearrange the words and we are going to make it a fruitful one. How? Go home now. Home go now we have written as now. Go home now, where G O go, G will be capital letter. Go home now. And after now we are going to put a full stop. Got it? So go home now. After that we are going to put a full stop. So it is making a sense now, and it is a complete thought. So it is a sentence. It starts with the capital letter G and ends with a full stop. Okay. Next line. Ice cream and eating is girl A. Ice cream and eating is girl A. Does it make sense? Is it a thought? Complete thought? No, it is not. So instead of writing this, we are going to rearrange again with interchanging the words in between. Okay, because it is a jumbled up sentence where the words are given anywhere they want to, and we are going to arrange it in a meaningful order. Okay, so ice cream and eating is girl A. Instead of that we are going to write a girl is eating an ice cream. Full stop. A girl is eating an ice cream. So we got the full sense now. A girl is eating an ice cream. So it has started with capital letter A. Girl is eating an ice cream. After ice cream we are going to put a full stop. So our sense is complete. We have a complete thought. So it is a sentence now, right? We have rearranged the words and it has been made into a fruitful sentence, right? So now, birds build trees, nests in there. Does it make sense, children? No. So here also we are going to rearrange the words and make it fruitful. And it will definitely carry sense, and it will give a complete thought, and it will become a sentence. So here what are we going to interchange? Birds build trees, nests in there. So we are going to write birds build their nests in trees. Birds build their nests in trees. So here we are going to write birds build their nests in trees. After that we are going to put a full stop. So here B will start with birds. B will start with a capital letter B. Birds build their nests in trees. Here we have a complete sense, right? This full sentence is correct now. It gives us a complete thought. So that way again we have another sentence. Glass the broke who. Glass the broke who. Is it complete sense? Does it make any sense, or does it give you a complete thought? It does not. So what are we going to do? We are going to interchange again the words and we are going to make it into a meaningful sentence. So here who is going to come into the first beginning of the sentence. Okay. Who broke the glass? So it has been changed. The words will be changed and we are going to make a question out of it. Okay. It's also a type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Here, who broke the glass? Who broke the glass? Now we got what? Who broke the glass? Does it make sense? Yes, it does. So it starts with the capital letter W and it ends with a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence. It is known as an interrogative sentence. Have you got it? Next we are going to take up some more sentences we are going to take up. Okay. So here we are going to take up house your is where. So instead of this, does it make sense? It does not. House your is where. So here instead of that we are going to just interchange the words and we are going to make it meaningful. We are going to write where is your house. So here where will come to the first place. Okay. The beginning of the sentence it will start as where. Where is your house? Where is your house? So where W will start with the capital letter W. Okay. Is your house. After house we are going to put a question mark. So it is a question. Type of sentence is interrogative. So here we are going to write, this is number 5. We are going to write the answer here. Where is your house? And the question mark. Where is your house? Here we have got where is your house. So it starts with the capital letter W and it ends with a question mark. So it has become an interrogative sentence. Now next, number 6. Number 6. Next, number 6, what are we going to give? We are going to write water drank I from a glass. Water drank I from a glass. Does it make sense? It does not. Again, we'll have to interchange some of the words and we are going to make it into a fruitful one. So how to make it into a fruitful one? So we are going to first, water drank I from a glass. Instead, we are going to write I drank water from a glass. I drank water from a glass. So I will come to the first place. Yes, beginning of the sentence, I will come. I drank water from a glass. So we are going to write here I drank water from a glass. So here we are going to put a full stop. So it started with I, capital I, drank water from a glass. After that we are going to put a full stop. So it has made complete sense now, right? So I drank water from a glass. Over. So I think we are going to stop here for today, and next class I am going to again take another one. I could have taken some topics, but today I think I'll stop here for today. Okay. So thank you so much for listening. We are going to meet again.